Hi everyone, I am Shahan. Welcome back to my channel Dr. Shahan's class, and in this video I will discuss about AL amyloidosis. First of all, you must be very much amazed. What is amyloidosis? What is AL amyloidosis? Basically, let me tell you, amyloidosis is a condition where bone marrow disorder occurs. So which disorder? Bone marrow disorder. Which disorder? Bone marrow disorder. Where what happens? Misfolded proteins accumulate in our body's tissue. This is the easiest definition I can teach you about amyloidosis. Misfolded proteins. So what is depositing? Misfolded proteins. Misfolded proteins. And these proteins which are not folded properly, they are deposited, they are accumulated in different bodies tissue. It can be nerve, it can be organs, it can be different organs, and this actually affects and damage and destroy the function of that particular organ. Now you have AL amyloidosis. What is AL amyloidosis? You know, the most common amyloidosis is AL amyloidosis. The most common is the AL amyloidosis. Now let us learn about the symptoms of AL amyloidosis. What happens when these misfolded proteins accumulate in different tissues, different nerves, different organs of our body and damage its function? Basically, you get symptoms like fatigue. Number one is fatigue. Second is shortness of breath. You will have SOB, shortness of breath. You cannot breathe properly. Third is the protein in the urine. You will have protein in your urine. When the urine sample is tested, you can find out there is a lot of protein. Next, there will be kidney issue. There will be so much kidney related problem, and there will be diarrhea or constipation. So the patient will complain either of diarrhea or constipation. And there will be changes in the blood pressure. Now all these blood pressure are changing. Why this blood pressure is changing? Because of the misfolded protein being accumulated in different tissues, maybe in the blood vessels. So you can find out blood pressure changes. You can also find out weight loss and also a stiff heart. So all these you can find along with pain and dizziness in the patient. So these are the symptoms of AL amyloidosis. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, make a thumbs up and please subscribe this channel. This channel is for medical students, for helping MBBS, BDS and nursing and paramedical students. So if you are belonging to any of this category, or if you are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year medical school, please subscribe this channel. This channel will help you to prepare for the NEETPG exam, next exam and also FMGE exam. Thank you so much, and please write down in the comment section below if you like this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.